The vocabulary word we are exploring now is latch. Latch. Ever heard a soft click when a door closes? That's a latch securing it. Latches keep things closed, safe, or fastened. The word can also describe holding on tightly, whether it's a baby or a feeling. Let's understand this word better. Meaning of latch. A latch is a mechanical fastener for doors or gates, or the act of grasping and holding on tightly. Examples: please latch the gate behind you. The baby latched onto her mother. He forgot to secure the latch before leaving. Short story. Kabir built a treehouse with his grandfather. The door had a wooden latch that made a satisfying snap. One windy night, the latch held firm as branches swayed. Kabir smiled from the window, proud of their work. That little latch wasn't just wood, it was safety, trust, and teamwork.